unfortunately after we arrived here at the Coron, it started to rain a lot, and we went into this small little shop and we waited there for an hour and really hoped that it would stop, but it is still raining and raining and raining. So actually we decided to skip the island tour. I'm pretty sorry about that, but I really don't want to do an island tour when it's just raining. So we're inside here of a massage clinic where we're gonna have a massage, and yeah, I'm disappointed. I really hope for good weather today. I don't think it's too nice to lay on the beach when it's just raining, so yeah, unfortunately, I don't know the plans after the massage here, but let's have a massage first. So we spent, I don't know, 1.5 hours inside this massage shop, getting first a Swedish oil massage, then a back massage, and it was nice. It is still just raining and raining, so I think we're just gonna head home. Really hope it will clear up later today so I can make some videos from the resort. It has really just been a shitty day today. I really expected some more from here, but when the weather is shit, you can't do anything in Coron. Okay guys, so welcome back here. Today has really just been a shitty day, I will say. It has been raining and raining and raining, but right now it has finally stopped and it is starting to clear up a little bit. But there's soon sunset, so I really can't use the time efficiently. I really look forward to seeing some of the islands here around Coron, because I know there's some very, very, very beautiful islands, but it will But it has still been good to have some massage and just relax a bit, getting ready for the next part of our trip. Actually, today is our last full day here in the Philippines, and I'm kind of sad to leave the Philippines here. It is just my favorite place in the entire world. I love it so much. But I'm also excited for our next adventure. It's also going to be very, very, very awesome. We'll spend the time here just to say goodbye to Klaus, as it is his last evening here in the Philippines. He's going home to Denmark tomorrow. Okay guys, so it is time to say goodbye to our travel mate. It has been so cool and so many awesome memories together. It is going back to Denmark today, and guys, I'm so sad to say goodbye to my drone. And Klaus, you're also leaving today. We're gonna miss you, you know that?
I miss you too. A lot.
So it is time to check out here from Busuanga Bay Lodge. It has been a pleasure stay, but I can't wait to move on today. We're going to somewhere that I'm pretty excited about, but at the same time here it's a goodbye to the Philippines, and I'm gonna miss the Philippines so much. Once again, it has just shown to be the most beautiful place in the entire planet, no doubt about that. So I'm a little bit sad, but also excited for the next part of the adventure here. Alright guys, so welcome here to Manila Airport. We just checked in for our next flight and we're going to Jakarta. I have no ideas why we're going to Jakarta. I just know that we're going to Jakarta. I know Jakarta is in Indonesia. It is actually the capital city of Indonesia, and I know there's a lot of awesome places in Indonesia. So we're going around in Indonesia and we're starting out in Jakarta. I really don't know if we are going tomorrow, if we're going to spend some time in Jakarta, maybe just a few days, I don't know yet. But it is just a part of the adventure when we have no ideas what we'll do in the future. So it's going to be awesome. And we're still talking about if we should do the Sulawesi Raja Ampat trip, or we should do the Java Sumatra trip. And I'm more into the Sulawesi Raja Ampat, and Catherine is more into the Java and Sumatra. So we'll see who wins the fight. Maybe we'll do a compromise. I am actually traveling barefoot here. I lost my gamble flip-flops at the Coron Island, so I'm traveling barefoot. That's pretty cool. I don't think there's anybody else here traveling barefoot, so I'm the only one. Just in time to say goodbye. Bye-bye. Right, so we said goodbye to Klaus here, and we are back on our own. This is a weird feeling, also leaving the Philippines here. I'm just so stoked about the Philippines, and yeah, it's an amazing place. Alright, let's go to Jakarta. Look how magic my girlfriend is. Okay, so welcome to Indonesia. We are here in Jakarta and everything is just going smooth. We got 2 pieces of luggage and we got them clear in the immigration, so everything is good. We are going to our hotel, and actually Catherine found a pretty awesome hotel that we are going to here in Jakarta. It's apparently very cheap to get some luxury, so why not take the opportunity. First sight here in Jakarta, it actually looks very beautiful. It is just a new modern city, I think. We'll see when we get out in the city, but right here at the airport area, it looks very beautiful actually. Okay, so just some fast facts here about Indonesia. Indonesia here is the most Muslim country in the world, so there's a lot of Muslim here. I think Indonesia is the country in the world with the most islands. Besides that, in Jakarta here, it is the city in the world with the most traffic, so there should be a crazy traffic and just traffic jams all over the place, I think. So just having our healthy dinner here. Sometimes it is good with the KFC. Alright guys, so welcome to a hotel room here in Jakarta, the crazy city of Jakarta, I would already say after spending, I don't know, 1 hour here. I think it's a very poor place. There were so many people sleeping in the street, and there was so much garbage, so much plastic in the streets, and someone ran to our door at the taxi and knocked and said, food, money, I need food. We just spoke to the receptionist here, and he told us that it is safe here in Jakarta until around 7-8 p.m. Then you have to stay inside because it is not safe for tourists to walk around in the city at that time. But first sight here, it looks fine, and we are here, and it's a nice hotel you found, Catherine. Big thumbs up to you. Thanks a lot, guys. So it's time to sleep here from Jakarta. We just did a little bit of research here about Jakarta and in Indonesia and Muslim culture in general, and we just found out that actually right now it is Ramadan here in Indonesia, and it shouldn't be such a pleasurous time for people to be in Indonesia under Ramadan, because there's a lot of things that's closed and you can't eat on the street, and there's actually a lot of things you can't do. But it should also be a beautiful time because it is at this time of the year where the Muslim culture will really shine. So it's gonna be both nice to see, but also some restrictions for us. But it's okay. And yeah, we'll just call it a day. It is very late now. So goodbye, guys. See you tomorrow.